Okay, so here's how to run a Kahoot quiz. So if I go to Alex's version down here and I paste that link into the, if I just press Control, I could have done it a lot quicker obviously. And so what this will do is it will bring you it'll probably bring you to a different page to this, but what you need to do is if you can get to this section here with the purple bar across the top and go to Kahoot, then this will give you a list of my quizzes. So obviously I don't think you can run the same quiz at the same time, so I've given us two versions of quizzes. So you can edit this, just to quickly show you how you edit these. So or obviously you can create a new one. If you want to edit it, this kind of is how you make your questions. So you've got your time limit here. You can change this, just these little tiny icons down here where you duplicate or delete your slides. You put in your question here. You can put in videos here like this one. When you create a new slide, it will give you an option of it'll give you an option of a true or false, a multiple choice, or I think the true or false and the multiple choice are the only ones that come with the free version. Haven't used this yet. And then you have to click the correct answers. What game does this gameplay loop refer to? So Call of Duty is not a correct answer, so I need to turn that off. So this is your correct answer, and what happens is when we run the game, I'll show you in a minute, the students will get a link to this quiz online, and then each of these colours is represented on their mobile phone screens as a symbol, so they press the symbol on their phone screen and then they get the points. It's all quite self-explanatory. All you really need to know is so you can also import slides if you've got it as a PowerPoint slideshow. So we can preview this, so that'll just give you so exit, so let's just put done on that. Okay, so once you've adjusted something in your Kahoot, you can test the Kahoot. I'll just show you this. So this is basically what the students are going to see. So let's just make it a classic game. So I'm going to try and run the team mode where people will get to kind of crowd around one machine, or socially distanced crowd around one machine. Let's just go classic. So join at Kahoot. So once the students have joined at kahoot.it, they'll be given this code. Copy that, paste that on your phone. They'll be holding this phone in their little clammy palms. Brian, which is the nickname I always use. Yes, so there's your nickname on screen. So we can now, this is basically the teacher's screen as represented by these desks here. So this is what the students are seeing, this is what we're seeing on the big screen. So it's just loading that in. So then you see they have these questions here. So if you click Tetris, it's giving you one correct answer. So you've got a correct answer, and then as the person running the quiz, which is us, we'll go to the next one. Gives you a score up there. Obviously there's only one person in the game, which is me. So this gives you an idea of what's going on. The students looking at the screen and we're running the quiz. Okay, so I'm going to try and get out of this. So I'm just going to close this down and skip back to here. Okay. So basically you've got a link to this and you just need to run this and run play on this, and once you run play, you can then do, it's exactly the same but you're actually running it live. So let's just teach, and then it gives you the options again, and then basically that's your game running. It's now set up its own web page which the students can access. Okay, so that's about it really for Kahoot. Thanks for listening. Bye.